Yo, what's up everybody? It's Explore with Meg here, and listen up because we're about to drop some serious travel knowledge. If you're someone who loves to explore new places but hates the hassle of heavy luggage, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to revolutionize the way you think about packing for your adventures. Are you tired of lugging around those massive suitcases, checking them in and waiting forever at baggage claim? We've all been there, stuck in long lines, waiting for our bags and dealing with the stress of lost luggage. It's a nightmare, right? Yeah, me too. That's why we're diving deep into the world of minimalist packing for long-term travel. Imagine being able to pack everything you need into a single, small carry-on. No more waiting, no more stress, just pure travel bliss. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? We're talking about ditching the excess and traveling the world with just a carry-on. It's not just about saving time, it's about embracing a lifestyle of simplicity and freedom. With the right tips and tricks, you can make it happen. I know, it sounds crazy. But trust me, once you experience the freedom and efficiency of packing light, you'll never go back. You'll be able to move through airports with ease, hop on and off public transport without a hitch, and enjoy your travels without the burden of heavy bags. Are you ready to travel light and smart? Let's dive into minimalist packing for long-term travel. We'll cover everything from choosing the right gear to packing techniques that maximize space. Get ready to transform your travel experience and become a master of minimalist packing. Let's get started. All right, let's talk bags. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your first trip, the right bag can make all the difference. Forget those giant suitcases, we're going carry-on only. No more lugging around heavy, cumbersome luggage that slows you down and costs extra at the airport. Now, I'm talking about a proper backpack, one that's designed for travel, comfortable to carry, and fits in those overhead bins. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Look for something durable, weather-resistant, and with plenty of compartments. You want a bag that can withstand the elements and keep your belongings safe and dry. And here's a pro tip: packing cubes. These little organizers are a traveler's best friend. These little guys are game changers. They help you maximize space, keep your clothes wrinkle-free, and make packing and unpacking a breeze. They compress your clothes, keep everything organized, and make finding stuff a breeze. No more digging through your bag to find that one item you need. Trust me, packing cubes are your new best friend. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Oh, and don't forget a smaller day pack or a foldable tote. These are perfect for day trips, excursions, or just carrying your essentials while you're out exploring. Perfect for carrying your essentials while you're out exploring, whether it's a water bottle, a camera, or a light jacket. A day pack or foldable tote keeps you prepared for anything. So there you have it. The only bag you'll ever need is a versatile, durable, and well-organized backpack complemented by packing cubes and a handy day pack or tote. Happy travels. Let's talk clothes, people. When it comes to packing for travel, less is definitely more. The key here is versatility. You want pieces that can serve multiple purposes and fit various occasions. We're talking about clothes that can be mixed and matched, dressed up or down. Imagine a single outfit that can take you from a casual day of sightseeing to a nice dinner out. Think neutral colors, simple designs, and fabrics that travel well. Neutral tones like black, white, gray, and beige are your best friends because they go with everything. Start with the essentials. A few basic tees. These are the foundation of your wardrobe and can be layered or worn alone. Add a couple of pairs of pants or shorts. Choose items that are comfortable and can be dressed up with a nice top or down with a casual tee. A lightweight sweater or jacket is crucial. It can keep you warm on chilly evenings or in air-conditioned places. And a pair of comfortable walking shoes is a must. You'll be on your feet a lot, so make sure they're supportive and versatile enough to go with multiple outfits. Don't forget a swimsuit, because you never know when you'll stumble upon an epic beach or a hotel pool. It's always good to be prepared for a spontaneous swim. And remember, less is more. The less you pack, the less you have to carry, and the more freedom you have to enjoy your travels. If you're unsure about something, leave it behind. Chances are you won't miss it, and you'll appreciate the extra space in your bag. You can always buy it on the road if you really need it. Shopping while traveling can also be a fun way to pick up unique items that you wouldn't find at home. All right, let's be real. No one needs a whole suitcase full of toiletries. We're going minimal here. Grab yourself a TSA-approved clear bag and fill it with travel-sized essentials. Shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, you know the drill. Ditch the liquids altogether and opt for solid bars. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, even soap bars. They're lighter, last longer, and won't spill all over your stuff. And remember, most hotels and hostels provide basic toiletries, so don't go overboard. In today's world, you can't leave home without your tech essentials. First up, your smartphone. It's your camera, your map, your translator, your entertainment system, basically your lifeline. Don't forget a universal adapter so you can charge your devices anywhere in the world. A portable power bank is a lifesaver, especially when you're on the go all day. And if you're a digital nomad like me, a lightweight laptop or tablet is essential for getting work done on the road. All right, let's talk important stuff. Documents and money. First and foremost, your passport. Make sure it's up to date and has plenty of blank pages. Visas, if required for your destination, are a must. Make digital copies of all your important documents: passport, visas, driver's license, insurance cards. Keep them in a secure cloud storage service just in case. Always carry some emergency cash, preferably in small denominations. You never know when you might need it. All right, let's wrap things up with some extra tips and travel hacks. A microfiber towel is a must-have. It's lightweight, quick-drying, and takes up way less space than a regular towel. Stay hydrated on the go with a reusable water bottle. A sleeping mask and earplugs are lifesavers on long flights or noisy hostels. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. And finally, a small laundry kit with detergent and a sink stopper will keep your clothes fresh and clean throughout your trip. There you have it, folks. Minimalist packing for long-term travel. Remember, it's all about packing smarter, not harder. Follow these tips and you'll be ready to travel the world with just a carry-on. Check the description for links to all the travel essentials mentioned in this video. They are affordable and durable. Like and subscribe for more travel tips.